Be careful. So are you telling me I can't do my job?
I'm sorry, the thing will get specific instructions. Don't know anything.
It smells delicious. Is it nearly done?
Are you kidding me? No, it needs to simmer to perfection. It must not be disturbed. Speed it up, and you break all the glorious flavors. It'll be quite. Okay.
You can't just around. What was that? What was that? It looks like we have a serious incident here. Guys, better call this one in and bag that poor bastard.
It's just a precaution.
I've been personally invited by the Royal Highness Omar Al-Ghazali.
I should have cleared.
Sir, I understand.
Awesome.
Help! Help!
Welcome to the barge, Al-Ghazali.
Welcome!